Everyone, welcome back to day 8 of Algorithmas. So today we've got another algorithm which is featured on Codility, which is to find all distinct values in an array, or the count of those distinct values. So here's an example. We can see we've got 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. So there's 3 different values that occur in this array. So there's 3 distinct values. So if we had an array where every value was 2, then that would mean there's only one distinct value, which is the 2. So there's quite a few ways to do this. This is actually a really easy one for many sort of dynamic languages such as Python or Ruby. You can just do a dot distinct and then take the count of that. And I kind of want to avoid doing it that way because you obviously don't really learn as much. It's a built-in method. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a for loop or for each loop, and we're going to be adding these to a hash set, which is an alternative way to do it. So a hash set, if you don't know, is a data structure which only allows you to store unique values, and so I think that's a good way to do it. So what we'll do is we'll get our console IDE ready. Okay, so we've got an array A. So what we're going to do is, I think I'll create a hash set first. So var output equals new hash set, and I'm going to make it an integer hash set. And then what we're going to do is for each var n in my array, all I want to do is I want to add that value to my hash set. Now if it's a value that already exists in the hash set, it's just not going to do anything. So in the end we're just going to have unique integers left in that hash set there. So I'm going to add that, so I can do output dot add, and then I'm just going to add n, and then once I've finished iterating through this entire array, all I want to do is, I believe I'm returning the count. Is that it? Write an efficient for the following assumptions. Okay, yeah, so I'm returning the count. So what I want to do is return output dot count. I don't know if it's count or length, but let's give it a go. Okay, so can't find hash set, so I believe it's because we're missing the namespace. So let's use system dot collections dot generic, and we'll give that a go. Okay, still can't find it. I think we have to use length. Maybe length is it. Okay, so this is the problem with using okay, there we go. So we've passed it. So it was count, but just without the curly braces. So normally IntelliSense just fixes this for us, but this is what you have when you have to use one of these online IDEs. So we've passed all the tests, and what we're going to do is just going to submit it, and similar to before, we're going to see what score we get. So I think we should be okay in terms of correctness. Okay, so we got 100%. So our performance was okay, even though we did use a for each loop. I think if you wanted to use the cheat way and just do dot distinct on it, then you would have still got 100%. But looks like we didn't get any timeouts here. So yeah, that's one way of getting all the distinct values and the count of that. So like I said, you can use much simpler methods that are built into the language, but this was just one alternative way of doing it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We've got another 22 days left, so do feel free to watch the previous ones. These will get gradually harder and harder, like I said, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.